QP10.14, evaluate the following expressions without using a calculator. So for part A, after we know the formula, NCR is equal to NPR over R factorial. So then we can utilize this formula. So 12Z4 is equal to 12P4 over 4 factorial. 2C2 is equal to 2P2 over 2 factorial. Okay, so it will be equal to, actually, for one trick for NCN is actually equal to 1. Okay, that's something that you need to know. So that's why actually these expressions is equal to 1. Okay, so for 12P4 will be equal to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 over 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then multiply 1. Okay, so 3 and 9 can be simplified. 1 and 10 can be simplified. And then 12 and 4 can be simplified. So finally, the numerator 3 times 11 equal to 33, and 33 times 3 is equal to 99 times 5 equal to 100 times 5 minus 5. So that will be equal to 495. Okay, so for part B, so 16C2 over 5C4. So that means 16C2 times 1 over 5C4. So 16C4 is 16P2. That means 16 times 15 over 2 factorial. So 2 times 1. Okay, and then multiplying. So 5C4 is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 over 4 factorials. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so eliminate 432. So you will see that actually 5C4 is equal to 5. And then 16 and 2 can be simplified. And then it remains 8 and 15. So 15 and 5 can be simplified. So the final answer is 24. Now here we can memorize one format for 5C4. So actually 5C4 is equal to 5. So this 5 and this 5 has some sort of correlations. And in general, so when we have a n cn minus 1, that actually is the same as nc1. So you select one items from n items. So that means you have n choices. So that's why the answer is n, and that's why here is equal to 5.